It's just a job. Don't take everything personally. Hi, this is an hour with Cernoni editorial. In the modern workplace, emotions often run high. Deadlines are tight, expectations are demanding, and people come with their own personalities, pressures, and imperfections. But amid all this, there is one truth we often forget: not everything is about us. In the workplace, don't take everything personally. It's just a job. When a colleague speaks bluntly, when a supervisor demands revisions, when decisions shift without warning, it is easy to absorb these moments as personal attacks. But more often than not, these actions reflect the systems, not your worth. People react based on their roles, their responsibilities, and the stress they are carrying. You are simply standing at the intersection of their duties and their deadlines. Taking everything personally drains energy, damages confidence, and clouds judgment. It traps us in emotional reactions instead of empowering us to respond professionally. The workplace is not a battleground of egos. It is a place where problems are solved, tasks are completed, and teams move toward shared goals. When we detach emotionally, we can think more clearly, we communicate better, we choose our battles wisely, and most importantly, we protect our peace. We begin to see feedback as improvement, not insult, pressure as challenge, not punishment, and disagreements as opportunity for clarity, not conflict. Remember, you are more than your job title, more than today's stress, and more than someone else's tone. Do your work well, stay grounded, and keep your self worth separate from the noise. At the end of the day, when you clock out, the job stays at the workplace, and your peace of mind goes home with you. Because truly, it's a job. Don't let it become a burden on your heart. Thank you for watching.